Pablo Picasso is considered to be one of the greatest artists of all time. Let's learn a little about his life and his art. Pablo Picasso was born in Spain in 1881 and he lived until 1973. He died when he was 91 years old. Picasso was born the oldest child and only son to his mother Maria and his father Jose. He had two younger sisters, Lola and Concepcion. Picasso's father was a painter and an art teacher at the university level, and he taught young Pablo how to draw and paint. Picasso showed an early interest in drawing. His first word was pies, which is the Spanish word for pencil, and he could draw before he could even walk. As Picasso grew older, his interest in creating art grew along with him. He painted his first painting at the age of 9. Here's a picture of Picasso's first painting. It's called El Picador, and it shows a man riding a horse. His first painting as an art school student is called The First Communion, and he painted this painting when he was 15 years old. As Picasso continued to study and paint, his works became more unique and sought after. Many people wanted to buy their own Picasso creation, and he became more famous around the world. When Picasso was 37 years old, he married his wife Olga, who was a famous ballet dancer. He had 4 children. Picasso began his lifetime of painting by creating realistic artworks. But over the years, he realized that he wasn't really interested in painting like all the other artists of the time. He wanted to create in new and exciting ways. By 1907, Picasso began to experiment with a new style of painting called Cubism. Cubism is a style of art which aims to show all possible viewpoints in an artwork at once. The artwork may look like it's made from cubes or other geometrical shapes. Let's take a moment to look at some of Pablo Picasso's drawings and paintings that he created over his lifetime. Notice that some artworks are very simple line drawings, some works are more complex paintings, and some works are sculptures. One unique type of artwork that Picasso liked doing is called light drawings. Picasso used a tiny light, similar to a flashlight, to create this type of artwork. He would move the light quickly through the air in a dark room and capture the light drawing image on camera. Over his lifetime, Pablo Picasso created over 1,800 paintings and over 1,200 sculptures. He lived a long, productive, and creative life, and his artwork graces the walls of collectors, galleries, and museums all over the world. His works are now very valuable, sometimes selling for over $100 million each. As people who appreciate art, we can feel grateful to Pablo Picasso for sharing his innovative, creative talent with the world.